Today we're going to unbox the Wowstick 1F Plus. This is a precision screwdriver, but it's electric, has a lithium-ion battery, and a whole bunch of bits that go with it. Secure bits for Apple and iPhone and all of the little stuff you need. So let's see what's inside this goodie. Just received it today. So it looks really nicely packaged, and we have this is the pad. I'm pretty sure it's magnetic. That's the whole point of it. Let me find something that's magnetic in here. Well, nothing right now, but we will try it in a few seconds. We'll put it down right here. All right. And that's it that was in this package. Put this over here. Now in here we have the bit group. Let's see here. Oh, wow, look how easy it is to take apart. Alright, this is pretty light, so I'm pretty sure this is not the screwdriver. Oh, this is the carrying case. Alright, let's put that on the side. There's nothing else in here. Alright, and as we can open it, oh wow, so this is where you put your tool in. Oh, and it's magnetic. That's cool. That's crazy nice. Yeah, magnetic. Alright. Dual power screwdriver. So I'm pretty sure this must be the screwdriver. Let's open it up. Wow, this is actually really nice. Pretty neat. So you have forward and backwards. Very nice. And it fits right into the box. That's really nice. Alright, so let's see here. We have IM bit group with X1 accessories. IM bit group with X2. Wow, that's pretty neat. So they're all numbered up. And that's pretty neat. And then we have X group 3. That's pretty nice. And then we have here a IM base. Oh, wow, it's pretty heavy. It's heavier than the screwdriver. Oh wow, this is really nice. Has like a rubber bottom, so it doesn't slide, or slides very minimal. And wow, that is really cool. You need it, pick it up. You don't need it, put it away. And it balances pretty nicely on here. Wow. Very nice. I like it. And then last but not least, this is the toolbox. Alright, let's see what this is about. So it comes with a USB cable. Now, I have seen USB cables. This looks a little bit different than the one that people have been complaining on. I'm not even going to use this. Somebody said that it was very crappily made and they had issues with it. So I'm going to go a step further and use my I don't know if you've ever seen these, but they're actually gold-plated USB that you can just plug into the piece right here, and then once they're in, you can just use a charging wire that's magnetic. So as we can see here, magnetic, and then it charges. The light just turned on and it's charging. And then when I want to use it, I can just clip magnetically and I use it. Oh, magnetically, it's starting to charge again. So I'm going to leave it to charge fully. It says that once the light turns off, then it's fully charged. So I'm not going to use that. In this little box, it comes with little screws and a little bowl. That's pretty crazy. I don't know why you need all those, but sure, that's fine. Suction cup. I've seen these suction cups before. A lot of people that fix phones will use a suction cup to, suck on the phone and then pull the screen off. It's really badly built. Who cares? Didn't buy this for this. And last but not least, this is a tool that's used from a lot of people to pull the screens out on your iPhones or your any phone. You put it on the edge and then start taking it apart. Very useful tool. And last but not least is these magnetic. It's a magnet. That's pretty interesting. So one side is demagnetized and one side is magnetized. See? Magnetized, demagnetized. That's cool. Yeah. That would be useful if you want to magnetize. Alright, so let's see what the bits look like. We're going to start with number 1. And this one has, as you can see, the Philips 000, Philips 00, Philips 00, 01, just 1, 2, and then it has a whole bunch of other ones. Hex, metric. Wow, that's a big selection. And wow, look at that, that fits in there like perfectly. So let's try accessory number 2 here. Let's see what this one has in it. Wow, this one has a lot of bits that are very useful here. So the T2, T3 are used for iPhone. Then you have the, as you can see, the secure. See the secure T's. So that's really nice. A lot of, they have the P, P2, P5, P6, which are also used for MacBooks and stuff, depending on what year. That's really nice. And let's see the last one. Most importantly, and then the last one has it looks like longer bits. So they have like 2 mil, 3 mil. They have these triangle I've never used before. I'm not sure what they're used for. If anybody knows, please write it below. Let me show you. So let me rotate it, sorry. So you see the triangles, they're called 0.3. I'm not sure what that is. Then you have the U2, I have no idea. I know what the Philips are, and then they have the extended. So as you can see on the bottom, you see how they're longer to get into longer areas. There's some boards that you need to go further down. So it's a decent piece of equipment, between everything and the charging unit. I think it's pretty nicely. I will put the description below. It's bought on Amazon. I didn't even know it existed. I've been looking for a while for one that wasn't too expensive. This one was in the just under $50 area, and I'm gonna put something together once I use it quite a bit, working on my different projects. I have a robot project that I'm working on the 3D printer, and a couple of other stuff. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click like and please subscribe. I have different videos. I know it seems like I'm all over the place. I love all kinds of good electronic stuff. I like I work on cars also, so I'm all over the place. But yeah, I'd like to find. I like when I find these really good finds that people should know about. It would make it more available for everybody. Anyway, again, I wouldn't suggest to use the USB cable. There are some bad reviews of cables lighting on fire, so I rather just use my more expensive USB, or any USB cable that is decent. You really don't have to use this cheapo one that came with it. So hope you like this. Please subscribe, and hope this was interesting to you. All right, bye bye.